Hi, it's Angeline. Mother's Day is almost here, and today I'm going to teach you how to create an easy shaker card using a die. So I've already stamped and colored this new stamp called Best Part of Me by Angie Blom, and it's so beautiful. I am obsessed. So for your shaker card, you need a window frame, and here I've just created a simple piece using my nesting dies here. If you don't have dies, you can always cut it up manually, and all you need is a piece of acetate that is as big as your window, and just adhere it to the piece. And now we are going to create the border for the frame. I'm just doubling up my foam tape here and just cutting it into size that it will fit into my frame. This will prevent your sequins from falling out of your card, and it will create a depth so that your sequins will be able to shake inside your card. Next, I'm grabbing some Unity stamp sequins here to fill out my card. I love these sequins because it's flat and it won't get stuck inside, and they have such pretty colors too. Then it's time to adhere your card base to your card and just cut it to size that is the same size as your window frame and adhere it to the frame, and ta-da! Your shaker card is done. So just add your sentiment to your card. Here I'm just adding it right at the corner so you can still see the pretty sequins. So here's my finished card. I hope you enjoy this really easy shaker card, and do try it out for yourself. Bye!